Hey everybody, here at DeBoer's Auto, we want to keep our customers updated on how we do everything here, all the way to how we Diag. We spend a lot of time training and getting certified, but what does that mean to you? So that means for you as a customer, when you bring your vehicle in, you are assured that we're following the most up-to-date diagnostic procedures. We start off every single time with documenting the condition of the vehicle, and we're getting our scanners on that vehicle computer right away. Most people think that this is where it ends. This particular part of the diagnostic process should tell you everything that's going on with the car. That's not necessarily true. So what we do here at DeBoer's Auto is, depending on the concern, we have to do a deep dive physically into the system to see what's going on, as in with brakes or suspension. But when it comes to computers, when we plug in that diagnostic tool, it only pops out certain codes that indicate which systems are affected. Our technicians have to do further deep dives so that we can guarantee the right part is being replaced in the right system. Codes can come up for multiple systems, or one code can come up for the same system but multiple parts. How do you know you're getting the right diagnostic? Here at DeBoer's Auto, we're using high-end scan tools, but in addition to that, we have lab scopes. We actually do thorough test drives. We utilize a smoke machine if there's a leak. We also like to utilize a lot of independently certified electrical tools that help us to find out where an electrical issue or signal might be getting lost while a vehicle is running. Even with all of these amazing tools we have at our disposal, we also like to utilize the industry standard or the industry top standard partners that are out there. So there's tech lines for manufacturer specific support, or there's tech lines for ASE certified educators to help kind of get us going with something that might be a real sticky wicket, which is my way of saying it's a really tough diagnostic. So anything that we need, that we want to utilize to get you the right diagnostic, we leverage, in addition to the training that we're doing, as well as the certifications we obtain. So if you have any questions about how we diagnose your vehicle, we love to show and tell. We love to show our customers with video and with pictures if they're not with us, but if they are with us, we like to bring them out and walk them through our diagnostic. So if you want the assurance that your diagnostic is being performed right, come here to DeBoer's Auto. Make an appointment, and any one of our service advisors and technicians will hopefully wow you with their expertise and to show you why your vehicle needs the repair it has. We hope to see you soon.